Now, if you want to look at deflation versus disinflation, so deflation is a decrease in the general price level of an economy. But in this particular example, we can see that as we go from year 1 to 2, the consumer price index, i.e. the CPI, went down from 100 to 95. So we have a deflation in year 2 because the price level went down. And we can see that in year 2, the inflation rate is going to be the CPI in year 2 95 minus the CPI in year 100 divided by the CPI in year 100. So the inflation rate in year 2 turns out to be minus 5%. And in the case of deflation, the inflation rate is always going to be negative because price levels are going down in that case. Now, disinflation, on the other hand, is instead a decrease in the rate of inflation. So in this case, the price level is still increasing, but it's increasing at a decreasing rate. So the price level is not falling under disinflation, but the rate of inflation is falling under disinflation. As we can see from year 3 to year 4, the CPI still went up from 120 to 130. So it's still so inflation is still happening, but the rate at which it's happening is going down because the inflation rate in year 3 was 26.32%, but it went down to 8.33% in year 4. So we have a case of deflation in year 4 as the inflation rate has gone down. We still have prices increasing. As we can see, the CPI went up from 120 to 130, but the rate at which the increasing has gone down in the case of disinflation. So the inflation rate is still going to be positive as we see in year 4, but it's just that the rate of inflation is now smaller in magnitude or size. So that's the difference between deflation and disinflation.